Example 1, we are tapping at fret 10 with our right hand, and we are going to then flick to fret 5 of string 2, and then we're going to hammer with our pinky finger on fret 8, like this. So we tap, flick, and then hammer. Okay? Tap, flick, hammer. Second one, we are going to tap at 10 again. We are then going to flick off to fret 8 and then pull off from 8 to 5. So like this. Tap, flick, pull off. 1, 2, 3. The next one, we are tapping at 10, flicking off to 8, pulling off to 5 and hammering back to 8 again. 1, 2, 3. Next one, we're going to tap at 12 and then we're going to flick off to 8 and then pull off to 5. Then we're going to move down, still tapping at 12, but we're going to move to 7 and 4, pulling off from 12 down to 7 and then pulling off again to 4. So we have this. 1, 2, 3. And at speed. So with this exercise, we're back to tapping at 10. We're flicking off to 5 and hammering on to 8. And then we're going to go to 4 and 7, 3 and 6, and 2 and 5. So we get this. And at speed. This last one, we're going to be tapping with the right hand at 19, 18, and 17, and then back to 18. So we get this. And in the left hand, we're going to be going 12 and 15s in between the taps.